All right, little walkthrough of the 2004 Regal 3560. You can see the nice C-deck flooring and the awesome sun seat. We got a JL audio sound system in it that really sounds great. This seat has an adjustment system kind of built for it. Works either way. Lots of storage, lots of space, garbage, ice maker, more storage, sink, spot for your TV to be moved up top if you want to watch it at night. Tons of storage under that. This goes out to a table. This is kind of your rear view. The camper top is custom. I've not seen one on another Regal, but gives a huge amount of living space back here and keeps you safe from the sun. All the isinglass in the top are new. That was about $14,000. Twin IO drives. Your standard chart plotter, radar, all the good stuff. Seat goes up for driving. Walk through glass front. That's the sun seat up front, which actually is a hard base that sits up so you don't have to just lay down. Lots of stainless steel cup holders. You can see it's been Coast Guard approved this year, so fully inspected. Down below, we got lots of space. The couch, this actually is a recliner. Comes out for you to relax. This can be either a seating area or a twin-sized sleeping area with a privacy curtain. Refrigerator, storage, microwave, TV. This actually comes out to another extension to sleep more, or at least a comfortable one person. We put in a custom 10-inch thick mattress. Really comfortable. Quite a bit of space. And another TV. The bathroom has a separate shower, which is very nice. AC, generator, all your goodies. We love the boat, but we're going to try something new. Anyway, thanks.